Hello kids, now we will do English, okay? For this take out your notebook, you have two notebook, English CW and English HW. Take out your English CW notebook and open a page. Now today we are going to learn cursive capital letter X to Z. So how you will write in this in the copy? In this way. So in this way you have to write these letters in separate pages. So I have already written in the board how you will write. First you have to write cursive X, cursive capital letter X. So for that you have to start from here. Draw a slanting line like this. Okay. Now after that, first draw a slanting line like this, then make it a small curve, then another slanting line like this. Two lines cross each other, okay? So this is cursive capital letter X. Now here you have to write from here, draw a small slanting line, a big, then another a big slanting line, then a small curve line like this, then another slanting line. Two lines cut each other, okay? This is cursive capital letter X. So write this X in one page. Now when you write cursive capital letter Y, you have to write this Y in another page, okay? So for that, when you trace this cursive capital letter Y, start from here. Draw a slanting line like this, then draw a straight line, then make it a small curve like this, then go up and make a standing line like this, then another curve line like this. Okay, in this way you have to write cursive capital letter Y. Which letter is this? This is cursive capital letter Y. Okay, in this way you have to trace these letters. Then after this you have to write it by yourself. So start from here, draw a slanting line like this, then a standing line like this, then make it a curve and another standing line, then another curve. This is cursive capital letter Y. Now after this, which letter is this? This is cursive capital letter Z. For this you have to use another page, okay? So how you will trace this letter Z? Start from here, make a curve line like this, then make another curve line like this. It looks like 3, right? Then you have to make another curve line like this, which will cross this curve, okay? This is cursive capital letter Z in this way. Cursive capital letter Z. Now here you have to write like this. Start from here, make a big 3 like this, then after this you have to make a line like this. This is cursive capital letter Z. Which letter is this? This is cursive capital letter Z. Okay. So in this way you have to write in your CW and also in your HW copy. So this is your homework. Write in cursive capital letter X to Z. Tell your parents to help you for writing the question in both the copies. Then after that you have to write these things by yourself. So today we have learned X, Y, Z. Okay, and in our previous class we have learned up to W, from A to W. So today we will do a small revision, okay? Okay, now we will do the revision, okay? Don't write this in your copy, only for, I have written only for do the revision. Okay, so which letter is this? This is cursive capital letter A, cursive capital letter B, cursive capital letter C. Say with me, cursive capital letter D, cursive capital letter E, cursive capital letter F, cursive capital letter G, cursive capital letter H, cursive capital letter I, cursive capital letter J, cursive capital letter K, cursive capital letter L, cursive capital letter M, cursive capital letter N. This one is cursive capital letter O, cursive capital letter P, cursive capital letter Q, cursive capital letter R, cursive capital letter S, cursive capital letter T, cursive capital letter U, cursive capital letter V, cursive capital letter W, cursive capital letter X, cursive capital letter Y, and this one is cursive capital letter Z. So today we have done all the letters from cursive capital letter A to cursive capital letter Z. So practice this at home. Okay. Okay, now we will do maths. For that, take out your maths book. Let's count 1 to 100. Now today we are going to cover the chapter from or lesson from 5 to 8. That is page number 10 to 13. So first take out page number 10. Now here what is written? Short and circle. So here are some pictures. What we have to do? Draw a circle around the group of similar objects in each set. So we have to draw a circle around the groups of similar objects. Okay. So look, these two are group. This is a pencil and this is also a pencil, right? So but their colors are different. These three pencils are in which color? Yellow, and these three pencils are in which color? Pink. So we have to circle these three pink color pencil separately and these three yellow color pencils separately. Okay, like that. Here are two groups of fish. One is orange, another one is red. So we have to circle the orange group. Then after that we have to circle this red group. Okay, in this way, look here, in this set here also we have two sets of hats. One set color is purple and another set color is pink. So we have to circle only this one. First set, that is pink color, or we have to circle all the pink color hat, and we have to circle another circle. We have to draw another circle of all purple color hat. Now next is also two sets of balloons. One is yellow color balloon, another one is purple color balloon. Okay, so we have to color this yellow color set, then we have to circle this yellow color set, then we have to circle this purple color set. In this way you have to circle all the sets, okay, separately. So these two is your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page, that is page number 11. Here what you have to do, draw and color. You have to draw and after that you have to color it. So what is the question? Draw the missing parts and color the pictures. Here are some pictures and in those pictures some parts are missing. So you have to draw those parts and after that you have to color according to these pictures. So here what is this? This is a bird. So in this picture every parts are there, but in this picture one part is missing. What is that? That is that it is big, right? So this part you have to draw and after that you have to color according to this picture. Okay. Now in this house all parts are there, but in this house one part is missing, that is door. So you have to draw the door and color this house according to this picture. Now in this cup all parts are there, but in this cup this handle is missing. So you have to draw this cup, the handle of this cup, then you have to color according to this picture. Okay, in this picture, this dog he have all its parts, there is no missing parts, but in this picture this dog have no tail. So you have to draw the tail and color this dog according to this picture. So in this way you have to do this page. So this too is your homework. Now come to the next page. So this is page number 12. In this page we are going to learn about big and small. So what is big? Big means bada and small means chota. So now look at your book. Circle the things that are bigger. So we have to circle the things which are bigger. जो बड़ा है उसको circle करना है. In this page there are lots of things, right? In each group there are lots of things. So you have to circle only the bigger things. Like first one, in this group there are two animals. One is elephant, another one is mouse. So which one is bigger? Elephant is bigger or mouse is bigger? Yes, elephant is bigger. That's why here the circle is drawn. And like that, in this set there are two books. One is this, another one is this. So which one is bigger? This one. So you have to circle this book. Now in this page there are in this group there are two trees. So you have to circle which one? Bigger one. So you have to circle this one. In this set there are two fish. You have to circle the bigger fish. Okay. So this too is your homework. Now turn the page. Come to the last page, that is page number 13. Here also we have to circle the objects that are smaller. On that page we have done bigger one. Now in this page we will do smaller one. So you have to circle the objects that are smaller. So in this group there are two fruits. You have to circle the smaller fruit, matlab chota. Now apple is smaller than watermelon, right? So you have to circle this apple. Now in second group there are two kites, pink color kite and yellow color kite. Among these two kites, which one is smaller? Yellow color kite, right? So color this yellow, circle this yellow color kite. Now in this group there are two balloons, one is pink, another one is yellow. So which one is small? कौन सा छोटा है? Yes, this one, right? So you have to circle this pink color balloon. Now in this way do the rest of the part. So this page is also your homework. Okay, now take out your notebook. You have two notebook. One is math HW copy and another one is math CW copy. Now we will do in CW copy. Okay, so take out your CW copy and in your copy or in your notebook you have to write in this way. Suppose this is your HW copy, so write date, then write HW, then write the question with the help of your parents. Tell them to write the question. Then you have to tell them to write these numbers in this way, and in this side you have to write it by yourself. Okay. So 21, here it is written 2 in one box and 1 in another box. So write these two numbers in separate box. Then leave this line and from here you have to write 2 1 21. Then again leave one line 2 1 21. Again leave one line 2 1 21. In this way. So in this way you have to write. Okay. Now look at the board. Write each number in separate box. Like 2 1 21, 2 2 22. 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30, 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, and 40, 40. So from today we are going to learn from 21 to 40. Okay, and in our previous class we have learned from where to where, from 1 to 20. We have already learned from 1 to 20. That's why today we are going to learn from 21 to 40. So practice these things in your home, and this is your homework. Note down the homework and do in your HW copy. Okay. Hello kids, now we will do which subject? Conversation. Okay, so in conversation on last day we have learned how to introduce ourselves, that is what is myself. Okay, about myself. Now we will do what? Today we are going to learn about what is our name, what is our father's name, what is our mother's name. So we all are different person, right? So and our fathers and mothers are different. Suppose my father name is Dipankar Chakraborty, my name is Pritha Chakraborty, my father name is Dipankar Chakraborty, my mother name is Kanika Chakraborty. And you have also your father and mother, you have also your name, but is they are same? Your name is also Pritha Chakraborty, your father name is also Dipankar Chakraborty, your mother name is also Kanika Chakraborty? No. So we have different names, right? Like our father and mother also have different names. So today I am going to show you how you will learn this, or how you will discuss this thing with your friends. So for that Devendra Miss will help me. Okay, now Miss come.
Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. So kids, today we will do what? Conversation, GK conversation. Okay, so let's start.
Okay Miss, now tell me, what is your name?
My name is Devendra Paswan.
And what is your father's name?
My father name is Devendra Paswan.
And what is your mother's name?
My mother name is Priya Paswan.
And you can also ask me about my name, my father's name, my mother's name.
Okay miss, so what is your name miss?
My name is Pritha Chakraborty.
And what is your father name?
My father name is Dipankar Chakraborty.
And what is your mother's name?
My mother name is Kanika Chakraborty. So look, we have different names. Our father, our mother have also different names, right? So you and your friends also have different names, and your father and mother and their father and mother's name also different from each other. Okay, so learn these things in your home. What is your homework? What is your name? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? So this is your homework.
नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। तो पहली क्लास में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? व्यंजन। व्यंजन के कौन से अक्षर तक हमने पढ़ा था, कौन से वर्णों तक पढ़ा था? क से अ तक, ठीक है। क से क ख ग घ अंग, अंग तक पढ़ा था, ठीक है बच्चों। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे च से इ तक, ठीक है। च से इ तक लिखो। तो बच्चों लिखने की बात है तो आपको पता है आपके पास दो कॉपीज हैं, है कि नहीं? तो एक है आपकी HW हिंदी HW और एक है आपकी हिंदी CW, ठीक है। एक है क्लास वर्क और एक है होमवर्क। तो आपकी जो पहली क्लास में जो मैंने आपको होमवर्क दिया था क से अंग तक लिखने का, वो सब आपने लिखा अच्छे से? वेरी गुड। तो आज हम करेंगे च से इ तक, ठीक है। तो बच्चों पहले मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी कि च छ ज झ इ हम कैसे लिखते हैं, ठीक है। तो आप सभी यहाँ ध्यान से देखोगे और सीखोगे। चलो शुरू करते हैं। च, ये क्या है? च, च छ ज झ इ, ठीक है। तो च कैसे लिखते हैं? छोटी सी लाइन, ठीक है। पहले एक छोटी सी लाइन देंगे, फिर हाफ सर्कल और एक लंबी सी लाइन। ये क्या हो गया? च। च से क्या होता है? चम्मच, ठीक है। अब आते हैं छ की ओर। छ कैसे लिखेंगे? जैसे हमने लिखा था ना क ख ग घ, घ कैसे लिखा था मैंने? उल्टा 3, 3 लिखते हो ना 1 2 3 मैथ्स का, तो उल्टा 3, तो वैसे ही हमने घ लिखा था सीखना, ठीक है। तो वैसे ही छ पे हम लिखेंगे उल्टा 3, ठीक है। हाफ सर्कल और एक अंदर की ओर, ठीक है। तो ये क्या हो गया? छ। अब हम आते हैं जौ। जौ कैसे लिखेंगे? एक पूरा राउंड बना के हल्का सा डैश और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन, तो ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? जौ, ठीक है। अब आते हैं झ की ओर। झ कैसे लिखेंगे? ई आपने पढ़ा था स्वर में अ आ ई, तो हम क्या करेंगे? पहले ई लिखेंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद एक छोटी सी लाइन और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन, ये क्या हो गया? झ। और अब है इया। इया कैसे बनाएंगे? हाफ सर्कल डैश और स्ट्रेट लाइन, ये क्या हो गया? इया, ठीक है। तो आज आपने सीखा, क्या सीखा आपने? च से इया तक कैसे लिखते हैं, ठीक है। च छ ज झ इया। च से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज और झ से झंडा, इया खाली। जैसे क ख ग घ अंगा, अंगा खाली, वैसे इया भी क्या होता है? खाली होता है। तो आज हमने क्या सीखा? च से इया तक लिखना। तो आप सबके पास क्लास वर्क कॉपी है जो आपने निकाल के ये वाला कार्य आज कर लिया। ये वाले कार्य में क्या था? च से इया तक लिखने का, ठीक है बच्चों। तो आपका जो क्लास वर्क कॉपी है उसमें आप क्या करोगे? पहले क्लास में आपने क्या तक किया था? क से क ख ग घ ड, ठीक है। तो ये क्या है? च से इया तक। तो जो आपने पहले क्लास में किया था वही क्लास में आपने वही क्लास वर्क कॉपी में आपको भी च से इया तक लिखना है, ठीक है। बिल्कुल ऐसे लिखना है, ठीक है। जो डॉट डॉट्स दे के ऐसे लिखना है। और आपका जो होमवर्क है, गृह कार्य है, वो आपको HW कॉपी में लिखना है। और आपका गृह कार्य क्या है? च से इया तक लिखो, ठीक है। तो ऐसे ही जैसे आपकी क्लास वर्क कॉपी में है वैसे ही आपको आपकी होमवर्क कॉपी में भी लिखना है, च से इया तक, ठीक है बच्चों।